This is Chris from Munch and welcome to another episode of Fast Food Fight, the show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, whilst reducing the cost. Imagine softly cooked beef in teriyaki marinade with capsicum, carrot and onion, all served with rice. While you're here, if you can subscribe to my channel, it's greatly appreciated. Go on, tell your friend. Rice, nice, plain and simple. Speaking of simple, teriyaki beef rolls. So good it will blow you away. Merch is in the description below. So start with your beef. Add some cornstarch, some sashimi vinegar, give it a good mix. Now it's time to cook your rice. I'm using Thai jasmine rice and a rice cooker. Fill it up with water till it's about a knuckle taller than your actual rice. Mince garlic and some ginger. Chuck some chili oil into a fry pan. Some sesame oil. Chuck in your garlic and your ginger. Cook the beef until golden. Chop up a carrot, an onion and a capsicum into a fry pan. Add some chili sauce, some chili oil, some sesame oil, soy sauce, cooking sake, mirin, 60 grams of sugar. Cook it on a low heat until the sugar dissolves. Add your beef. Add your veggies and stir it all up. Look at that, not bad for under half price. I like having mine with a bit of wasabi and pickled ginger, just to give it that extra kick. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Thursday. Wrap up!